Hi guys, welcome back to my channel VVS Vlogs. I am Vinny Vatsing and I make videos on beauty, fashion, travel and many more other things. So before this video starts, please do take out a minute and subscribe to my channel. Today I have recreated my engagement makeup look. Yes, this is my engagement dress and I wanted to create this makeup look since a very long time.
So today I have created this smoky halo eye effect. This will make my eyes look more rounded and bigger. I am happy with the way it turned out, and now not talking much, let's see how to create this look.
So I have already moisturized my skin with my favorite Clinique moisturizer, but as we are doing a heavy makeup look, so I am going to add few drops of this Fasali Unicorn Essence.
This will further hydrate my skin and preps my skin for the makeup.
Before starting with eye makeup, I am going to first fill in my eyebrows.
I already have a video on how to fill in eyebrows, you can check in the suggestion box.
To clean up underneath the brows, I am taking my favorite NYX concealer and I am clearing up the edges.
And then I am blending the concealer with the warmth of my finger.
Here I am done with another eyebrow also. Now to even out the skin tone on eyelids, I am going to apply this eyeshadow base from NYX.
If you do not have the eyeshadow base, you can use concealer also, it does the same work.
Doing this will make the eyeshadow more pop and radiant.
Now I am going to set this with some loose powder. Setting is really important, otherwise the base or concealer will collect in the crease lines.
Here I am applying sticky tapes at the corner of my eyes in order to achieve a cleaner eye makeup look.
For the transition shade, I am taking these two eyeshadow from the Manish Malhotra palette and I am going to apply above my crease. This will further make the blending more easy and will bring back the warmth on my eyelids.
So what I am going to do in halo effects, I am going to go darker in my inner corner and my outer corner of my eyes, and I am going to go lighter, in fact shimmery, in the middle of my eyelids.
So this is what halo effect is. Now I am going to do another eye also.
I am going to first take black color and deposit in the inner corner of my eyes below the crease. Then taking the same black color, I am going to carve a C-like shape in the outer corner of my eye. I am using a pencil brush from Color Bar because it's just easier to use it in smaller areas.
I will keep building up the color till the time I am happy with it.
Then with the help of a blending brush, I am going to soften and diffuse the colors with my transition shades so that it doesn't look harsh. And then again I am going to repeat the same step by deepening the inner corner and outer corner with same black color, and whatever product is left on the brush, I am going to apply it in the crease. And then again blend the edges of the dark color. Blending is the key to achieve the flawless makeup. Now before applying the golden color in the middle of my eyelids, I am applying little bit of concealer and opening my eye just to bring it till my crease. Now I am going to blend it only above the eyeball area on my lid. I am going to use this beautiful golden shade again from the Manish Malhotra palette, which is exactly like my outfit. And I am gonna apply it on the middle of my eyelids. I am using my finger here for a greater payoff of color. And to amp up more, I am going to take Wet n Wild liquid glitter and applying right on the center of my lids. And here we are done, and now I am going to apply liquid eyeliner, and I am taking Maybelline Hyper Gloss eyeliner. I am going to draw very thin line as much as possible. Here I am wiping off the fallout of eyeshadow with the help of a wet wipe. Now I am going to quickly do the foundation routine, and before that I am going to apply primer, and I am using it from Smashbox. Now I am going to take this strobe cream from MAC and I am going to apply it on all my highlighting points. This is going to give me a beautiful glowy and glossy look which is needed on the bride. Now I am using this MAC concealer and I am going to hide all my acne. Here I am done with the concealer. Now I am going to take these two foundations. One is Nykaa Skin Shield Foundation and the other one is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This foundation from Nykaa will hydrate my skin and this foundation from Maybelline will minimize my pores. So I am going to take both of the foundations on the back of my hand. I'll mix them both like this
and I'm going to apply it on my face. I'm going to take this beauty blender from Real Technique and I'm going to blend all the foundation. After foundation, I am going to highlight the under eye area just to brighten it up, and then I am going to blend it nicely with the help of a beauty blender. Taking a fluffy brush, I am going to set the face with the help of banana powder by Makeup Revolution. You will notice that it will automatically mattify the face too. Now to give dimension to the face, I am going to contour my face and I am using Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. Now once I am done with contouring, I am going to apply blush, and for that I am taking this Benefit Lip and Cheek Tint and I am going to apply like this. This smells so awesome, like roses. Again I am going to blend it with beauty blender. Also it brings back the shine that is needed on my cheeks. Then I am going to take liquid highlighter by Makeup Revolution and I am going to apply it on all my high points. Today I have used tinted blush and liquid highlighter so that my face doesn't look powdery and we have that glossy and glowy look that the bride should have. Here I am tight lining my lash line, which means I am filling the spaces between the roots of my eyelashes. I am using Black Kohl by Sugar Cosmetics. I will use the same kohl in my waterline and I am going to use only in the corners. Then I am going to set the kohl with same black shadow that we used before. Lastly, I am taking Wet n Wild liquid glitter and applying right under the waterline where we did not apply kohl. It looks absolutely classy and shine like a bombshell at night. Now I am going to apply this Bad Girl mascara from Benefits. Now lastly I am going to take this shade and I am going to do highlighting in my inner corners and under the arch of my brows. As we are done with full face makeup, now I am going to apply lip liner from Faces. And now I am going to apply lipstick, and I am taking this MAC lipstick and the shade is Girl About Town. As winters are approaching and I didn't moisturize my lips earlier, you can see my lips are dry. I have a makeup tip for that. Don't drag your lipstick if your lips are dry. Just pat it on like I am doing. Doing this, your lips won't chap after applying lipstick and won't look ugly. That you like this video, and if you do, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. Until my next video, stay happy and positive. Till then, bye bye. Karo beta. As we are done with full face makeup, now I am going to apply lip liner.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun.